Okay, lab 5 is the adventure lab, and for this lab is for physics 2211, and I chose to see how much force is applied to a person's knees when he or she jumps off of a couch. The questions I will address are, why do we bend our knees, and would it be harmful to our body if we did not bend them? I will be using the momentum principle, impulse, and Newton's second law. Here's the video that I chose to analyze. I chose my hips to be the center of mass in a traditional coordinate system. I observed the motion from the point of the jump until my feet initially made contact with the ground. I used the given data to calculate initial conditions to input into my code, such as position, velocity, and mass. And then in the while loop, I used Newton's second law to calculate the final velocity, final position, and the net force acting on one's knees. And as you can see, it does an accurate job of predicting the observed motion. Okay, the final position was found to be 0.52, negative 1.40 meters. The final velocity was 0.49, negative 5.770 meters per second. And finally, the force experienced on the knees was negative 424.8 newtons. This force is large enough to put stress on the knees if you didn't bend them. And bending your knees allows extended time for impact and allows the force to dissipate. Alright, next I found the impulse, which is equal to F delta T. Delta T was found from tracker from the point my feet initially touched the ground until my knees were done bending. This is when my body dissipated the force. This consisted of roughly 9 frames with a frame rate of 0.0333. Therefore, delta T is equal to 0.2997 seconds. After multiplying delta T by the force, I determined that by bending my knees, my body had only experienced 129.32 newtons of force on it. Impulse is something that you use every day to defeat forces on your body. This is why if you ever jump from high distances, you always bend your knees, and also why you sometimes see gymnasts tuck and roll after a hard fall. Anything that lengthens the body's contact with the ground helps to dissipate the force experienced by the body. Okay, for conclusion, why do we bend our knees when we land? This is to increase the time our body is in contact with the ground, lessening the force on our body. And would it be harmful if we did not bend our knees? Possibly. It would cause a significant increase, damaging our bones and connecting tissue. Alright, that's all. Thank you for watching.